Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Science Nerd, and today we will discuss another SQL problem as we are discussing on the daily basis. So we will discuss another medium level problem on the same platform Data Lemur, on which we discussed the previous problem which was asked in Uber interview. So today we will discuss another problem which was asked in Snapchat interview. Okay, so let's see how this problem is and what it is asking. Okay, so okay, so this seems to be a big problem. let's see let's see what it is asking. Okay, so in case you are not watching my previous videos where we are discussing when we are solving problems on daily basis, so please go and watch the playlist. I have made a separate playlist as well where I have like uploaded almost 11-12 videos already, so you can go and watch that videos first so that your concepts are clear, and then later come to this and try to approach the questions. Okay, so we will see how we are going to solve it. So how the question is, assume you are given a table with information on Snapchat users including their ages and time spent sending and opening snaps. Okay, write a query to obtain the breakdown of the time sending versus opening snaps as percentage of total time spent on these activities grouped by age group. Round the percentage to two decimal places. Okay, so this is what you have to calculate. If you see this, it has already been given. So this time spent sending divided by time spent sending plus time spent opening, time spent opening divided by this opening plus sending. Okay, this is what it is asking. And how the tables are given, this is activities table where 5 columns are there, 5 fields, and this is how it looks like, right? Activity id, user id, activity type, time spent, activity date. So time spent is this is time spent. So actually what is the focus of this problem? Time spent on sending and time spent on opening. So our focus is this only, activity type open and activity type sent, not activity type chat. This we are not going to consider because that's the question is not asking, right? Then age breakdown, because we have to output our data based on the age bracket. Okay, so in this table we have user id and age bracket. So since there are two tables, definitely we are going to join those two tables. So this is activities, this is age breakdown. What is the common column? User id is the key through which we are going to join, and this is how age breakdown looks like. This is the user 123, and this particular user belong to age 31 to 35. This particular user belong to this age group. Okay, and this is how the example output. So age 26 to 30, send percentage open percentage. So what is this send percentage open percentage? This is send percentage, this particular thing already given in the question, and this is open percentage. Okay, and based on the age bucket we have to find this out. Okay, so we will try to, so see there are multiple parts in this question, right? So we'll try to break this question one by one. Okay, then we will see how we can solve it. So let's first find out the send data. Okay, activity type send. So see, this one user can open and send multiple times. Okay, like this particular user can open and send multiple times in a table. So what we need to find out based on age bucket. Okay, age bucket. For example, this user let's say this user belongs to age 31 to 35. This also belong to age 31 to 35. This, so see, all are sent. Okay, these two are sent and both belongs to same table. So can you tell me what is the total time belonging to this age bucket? So this age bucket will have this total sum of time spent. Okay, this sum, like this one and this one, we will sum it. Then we will find for the open age bracket as well. in the same way. Let's approach this question. Okay, so first let's make a common table expression. As you have already, if you have watched my previous video, you will get to know that I almost approach every question using common table expression because I find it quite easier. So what we have to do, we have to find time, activity type send, and total time spent where activity time is sent, right, based on age bucket. Okay, and total time spent on activity type open based on age bucket. So we will make two common table expression. Okay, as so here we will select age bucket, sum of what we need, time spent, right, sum of time spent. So let's name it as something like, let's say, sending time. Okay, because we are finding send time only. Okay, and then we will find out open time. So let's say open this is send time. Okay, from where we are finding this activity table. Okay, because this, see, age bucket is given in age breakdown table and time spent is given in this table. So what we will do, we will join it, right? So we will take it from activities table. So let's name it as A, then join age breakdown table. Okay, on A dot user ID equal to B dot user ID, where, so this we are finding a the send time. Okay, send time means wherever activity type is equal to send. So I will write as where activity time, sorry, where activity time equal to send, and group it by age bucket. So that means group it by 1. Okay, 1 means first column. Then similarly I will make another common table expression. Okay, from here to here. So let's say this name is CT2, CT1. So here time spent as, this is opening time, right? Because sending time I have already made opening time, and where activity type equal to open, right? You got how I break down this problem? If you see it, right, first time is send time, right? This is how we have to apply this logic, right? Because we have to divide it send upon send plus open, then divide it open upon send plus open, right? I hope you got it, that how I break it down, right? So if you see this now, what we have to do is, so total time based on age bucket we have find for both the activities. Okay, now what we have to do is, we have to select what we want age bucket, send percentage, open percentage. So we want age bucket and send percentage and open percentage we are going to calculate based on what, see, total spent sending, matlab means sending time upon sending plus opening time. So sending time, oh sorry, sending time divided by sending time plus opening time, because I have already made that, right, which is the sending time and which is the opening time in our common table expression. So we will just now directly sum it. Okay, this is what send percentage. Okay, this is how we have to make our output, right? Send percentage and open percentage, which will be opening time divided by total time. I mean send time plus open time. So again, I will just directly copy this line. Okay, so this is open percentage. Okay, now wait, we have to do one more thing here. We have to take this in percentage, right? So what we will do is we will multiply it by 100. Multiply it by 100. Okay, now what we have to do is uh, we have to round it into 2 digit, right? Okay, round the percentage to decimal. That I was thinking that is, I read somewhere that we have to round it. So what I will do, I will just use a round function on this complete calculation. Okay, so round function on this comma 2. 2 means I'm limiting that round function up to 2 digits. Now this has been done. Now the same thing I will apply here. Okay, round and this opening time and sending time up to where I have to end here. Okay, into 100 and then comma 2, right? Now we got what we wanted, right? Age bucket is this. Now from where we are taking age bucket? From CTE A. I will name it as A, because see, first one is sending time, second one is opening time. So I will join both the CTE to fetch that time. So CTE1 B on A dot age bucket to B dot age bucket, because this is how we wanted our data, right? Based on age bucket. Dot age bucket. Okay. Is there anything else that we need? You got this, right? What I did here. So I am just making a block of separate total sending time based on age bucket, total opening time based on a age bucket, and then I am just calculating whatever is required based on age bucket. So if I run this code, let's see if it's running or not. Activity time does not exist. Where is activity time? Where is activity time? Is there anywhere? Oh, okay, okay. This is a dot, because it is present in both the tables here. So I will take it from where is activity time? Where activity time? Is there any spelling mistake that I did? Activity type it is, sorry. It is activity type. Okay, now I think it will be fine. Yes, so here how we are getting the output. If you see here, right, this is how we will get our output. So this is sample output. Okay, this is just a sample output. If you submit this data, you will see that you are getting the output like this only. Okay, so this is how we will try to approach this question. Have you seen, right, that how I have approached this question? Like I tried to like solve it using, like I break it down into multiple times and then I calculated whatever was required, right? So if you see that I'm not like this problem is a bit complex one, I agree. Okay, if you are fresher or have less experience, it might be a difficult problem for you at this moment, but don't worry, just keep practicing it. Okay, whatever videos I am making, if you see previous video, right, that videos were a bit of low level exercise, and then I'm like gradually increasing the level of SQL problems. So just go and watch those videos as well, and then we will like move step by step, right? We will increase our level, but step by step we will do, so that at least everybody gets to everybody gets to adopt it, right? Nobody feels left out. So this is how we are going to proceed, and we will keep discussing such interview problems. So these are very advanced level interview problems, right? I don't think that if you are 1 or 2 years of experience, in 1 year of experience, I don't think they will ask such problems. But they generally ask normal joins problem. Just join the data and pull out the data from this table. How left join is different from this, right join is different from this. They might not ask in such a experience, but if you are 2 and greater years of experience, if you have, then they will ask such questions. And if you have 3+ year of experience, then definitely they are going to ask this, because common table expression on a window function, they are very common for 3+ years of experience candidate. So this is how we are going to approach our questions. And if you have any doubt on this question, please do let me know. I will try to resolve it in the comment section. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment down. Okay, and if you are learning anything from my videos, please do like these videos, do subscribe to the channel, and please do share the channel with your friends. Okay, so that at least this channel can grow, and I and you together can learn, right? So thanks a lot, and please let me know if you have any doubt. Thanks.